hope you all are doing well. So today I am going to discuss about the another important topic, which is multiple allele. Yes, multiple allele. So as we all know, there are two types of allele from Mendel's experiment. That is, one is dominant allele and another one is recessive allele. So there are the third allele, or we can say the third types of allele, which is multiple allele. Is it types or the same pattern, just the modification of the two alleles? We will discuss. So let's start. First, you need to know what is multiple allele. So basically, more than two allele. Multiples means different, or rather more than two, right? So more than two alleles, those are multiple alleles, not one, not two. More than two alleles are multiple alleles, right? So when there are more than two alleles are present for one gene, for only one gene, or for only one particular trait, right? Suppose a trait like your skin color. When more than two alleles are responsible for your skin color, then it is multiple allele. So the particular trait is skin color. Okay. So first, let me write the definition, which is when more than two alleles are present for a gene, or basically for a trait or characteristics. Okay. So I will give the example of multiple allele, then you can understand. Okay. So basically, in human being, the ABO blood group. The example is ABO blood group. Okay. ABO blood group. So ABO blood group is one type of multiple allele. But why? Why it is known as multiple allele, or why it is the example of multiple allele? First, let me tell you the particular allele in the chromosome. Okay. So we are diploid organism, right? We are diploid organism. We have two sets of chromosome, two number of sets of chromosome, because we are 2n, and n stands for the sets of chromosome, right? So we have two sets of chromosome. But how it can be possible that in a particular human being three types of alleles are present? Is it possible? No. In you, or suppose in me, it is not possible. There are three types of different, or there are three types of homologous chromosome, and each homologous chromosome having particular allele which is responsible for a gene. It is not possible because we have two sets of chromosome. Suppose these two are chromosome number 1 and chromosome number 1. So there are two sets of chromosome. So here one allele is present, and in the another chromosome the another allele should be present, right? So why it is more than two alleles? It is said more than two alleles because it is applicable for a particular population. In your friends, you have, suppose you have A blood group, and the suppose Rama have B blood group, Rahul have O blood group, right? So in a population which is human population, there are more than two alleles are responsible for a particular trait, which is blood group. Is it understand? Because it is not applicable individual. It is not applicable to a particular human. It is applicable for a human population. That is why ABO blood group is an example of multiple allele, because we are diploid. We have only two sets of chromosome. So it is not possible 3 different types of alleles are present for a particular trait in human. So because we are diploid, right? So how this is multiple allele in a human population, or you can say in a particular population when more than 2 alleles are present for a gene or a trait. So here the trait is blood group. Here the trait is blood group. Okay. So now I am going to discuss the genotype of different types of blood group, and then it will be cleared. Okay. So this is ABO blood group. ठीक है? So A, B, O blood group. Okay. So here is the ABO blood group which is present. So suppose a human having A blood group. So what are the probabilities of genotype? 2 types of probabilities. How? First, let me tell you what are the dominant allele and what are the recessive allele in case of ABO blood group. Okay. So IA, IB, IO. These are the 3 alleles which is responsible for ABO blood group system. So IA and IB, these are dominant allele. Okay. And IO, which is recessive allele. IO is recessive allele, and IA, IB, which is dominant allele. Okay, so you have the idea about recessiveness and the dominant allele in case of the genotype, how it can be expressed or not, right? So now let me discuss about the genotype of every blood group. Okay, so here in case of A blood group, there are 2 types of genotype. One is homozygous A and another one is heterozygous A, which is it is for A blood group, right? So when the blood group is B, then there are also 2 probabilities, IB, IO, which is homozygous B, but rather homozygous dominant, or IB, IO, which is heterozygous dominant, right? So the next blood group is AB. There is only one kind of genotype is possible, which is IA, IB, and here 2 alleles are dominant, which is we have already discussed in the previous video, that is codominance. Okay, and the last one, which is O blood group, that is IO and IO. Okay, so these are the genotypes of A, B, AB and O. In case of A, there are 2 types of, because IA is dominant, so IA, it can be A blood group. IA, IO, it is also A blood group, as same as in case of B, homozygous dominant should be B blood group, heterozygous dominant IB, IO, because IO is recessive allele. So IB suppresses or masks the expression of IO, right? In the another case, that is AB and O. In case of O, there are no dominant alleles are present, so only recessive allele are present, that is IO. That is why it should be O blood group, and the last AB, IA, IB. So it's in a particular population. It should be clear to all of you. It is not possible in a particular individual. No, it cannot be possible in you or in me only. If you consider a population, if you consider, suppose in your family, there are different types of blood group, A blood group, B blood group, AB blood group, O blood group. These 4 types of blood group, where it is the particular, this is the reason due to this particular genotype. So this is known as multiple allele, where more than 2 alleles are responsible for a particular trait, which is blood group. Okay, is it clear to all of you? I think so. And if you have any doubts, please comment. And also let me tell you the last thing, that is there are 4 phenotypes, right? There are 4 phenotypes and alleles 3, IA, IB and IO, but phenotypes are 4, A, B, AB, O. Okay, and you have already the idea about genotype and phenotype. So if you want to clear the concept of genetics, just go to the genetics playlist in my channel, and you can get all over the small things about the genetic chapter, because you should be clear first that particular idea, that particular definition, then you can be clear this all about the experiments, alleles and many more. Okay, so till today this is it. I hope it will be understood for all of you, and please support my channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you like my video, just like, comment and share. And if you have any doubt, just comment. I will discuss in the later videos. Okay, so till then, bye bye.